In this video, you will learn how to replace hard disk in your laptop. In the back side of your laptop, you can see the symbol of hard disk, as we have shown. For removing the cover of hard disk, carefully open the screws. Do not apply force for opening them. Here you can see the hard drive in your laptop. This is the connection area. Now carefully open the screws for removing your hard drive. And push your hard disk from connection side, as we have done. Now remove the supporting cover from hard drive. Open the screws. And replace your laptop hard drive. Put your new hard disk in supporting cover, as we have shown. And insert your hard disk from connection side in your laptop. And do not apply force. We have done this successfully. Thanks for visiting.